we'll move to the third step, which is the slip pocket panel. So now we take the slip pocket panel, hold it right sides together. We'll hold the short edges right sides together, and then we'll sew the sides with 1 4-inch seam allowance. I'm sewing the two together because we have two slip pockets. So I'm sewing the two together, as you can see in the video. And at this point, I'm going to turn it to the right side. First, I will notch the bottom edge a bit so that it will be easy to poke out when I get to that point. So yeah, you can see it's very easy to poke out at this point. You can also press it with your pressing iron. And I'm going to take my slip pocket trim and then use it to cover the raw edge of the slip pocket. And the way I am doing this, I want the one side to be longer. That's on the width. I want one side to be longer than the other side, so that when I'm sewing, I can catch the part at the back. And I'm going to sew with 1/8-inch seam allowance from the raw edge of the slip pocket trim. Then I'll cut the excess away from the sides. And also on that back, on the back of the slip pocket trim is going to be excess. Remember, we want one side to be larger than the other one, so I trimmed that off as well. And I'll prepare the same thing for the second slip pocket trim, and then I will sew both of them to the lining panel. Now it has to be I'm going to set my slip pocket at 0.5 inch or ½ inch from the seam, and then at the center it has to be centered. That's why I first mark the center of the lining and the center of the slip pocket. Then I'm going to sew that down with 1/8-inch seam allowance. I'm going to sew down one side through the bottom and up the other side.